So we've got 12 stations dedicated to a certain stage of the hay life cycle. We've got a pavilion placed at each station. We'll go through a little bit of a walk around, or some groups will have a longer walk around and follow the machine in field. Everybody gets a run, everybody gets a chance to jump in the machine, see how it operates, learn the most efficient ways of how to set the machine up, how to make sure they're operating it, and how our machines interlink as well, which I think is really important.
Classroom training is one thing, but actually using the machines on the farm is so much more valuable.
We can read as much about them and look at all the technical information in the manuals and through kind of product training information. But it was great for operators to actually experience kind of how the machines operate day to day and what actually brings value to them.